Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use two-factor authentication tokens inside Dashlane for the site login stored in your vault. First, log into your Dashlane account. Look for logins stored in Dashlane that support 2FA, like your bank or other websites. Open the login entry in Dashlane's web app or mobile app and choose Setup 2FA token. You'll receive instructions on how to enable 2FA for that site. Just follow them. In this case, since I'm using Discogs, we'll have to go to their site, then Settings to look for the 2FA option. Follow the prompts to set up 2FA on the site. Then paste or scan the setup code given by that website back into the required text box in Dashlane. Click on Submit Setup Code, and Dashlane will generate tokens for you automatically. Once set up, Dashlane can autofill 2FA tokens or OTP codes into login forms when you're logging into those sites. On mobile, Dashlane pops up with the token ready to paste. And that's how you use 2FA tokens inside Dashlane for logins. Thanks for watching.